welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and just to address the elephant in the room first, I got a haircut. Yes, I did, and it is much shorter. Why did I do it? Why not? Just because, and I really love it. So there we go. Anyways, moving on to our actual subject of the day. And we are continuing to talk about a few American things that I miss, and one of them is ranch dressing. It's one of those, it's such a staple in the United States, and it's just impossible to find here. I've never seen it in Europe, ever. And I've lived here here where I live, for 16 years, and I've also lived in other places in Europe for another 2, and it's I never saw it there. I've never seen it. So maybe it does exist somewhere, but I've never found it. So I thought I'd try making it myself. Let's get started.
Admittedly, there's kind of a lot of ingredients. We need half a cup or 110 grams of mayonnaise, a half a cup or 120 grams of sour cream, a half a cup or 110 milliliters of buttermilk, 1 teaspoon dill, half a teaspoon parsley, half a teaspoon chives, a quarter teaspoon onion powder, a half a teaspoon garlic powder, a quarter teaspoon salt, a dash of pepper, 1 to 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. Begin by combining all the base ingredients, mayonnaise, sour cream, and buttermilk. If you want to change the consistency to thicker or thinner, here's where to do it. More mayonnaise for thicker and more buttermilk for thinner. But this recipe is just a touch thin. Stir in all the spices, dill, parsley, chives, onion powder, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Then, to round it off, add lemon juice, a tablespoon at a time until you're happy with it. I use 2 tablespoons. I poured the dressing into an empty salad dressing bottle using a funnel. It ended up about 2/3 of the way full. This dressing really hits the flavor of ranch. Mission accomplished. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at americanbakeringermany.weebly.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more recipes.